In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AI add-ins in Microsoft Word. Adding AI-powered tools to Word can significantly improve your productivity, whether you want help with writing, grammar, summarizing content, or generating ideas directly within your documents. These add-ins are easy to install and can streamline your workflow. To begin, open Microsoft Word and either create a new document or open an existing one. AI add-ins can work in both new and existing documents, giving you flexibility no matter where you start. Once Word is open, go to the Home tab in the ribbon at the top of the window. Here, you'll find an option labeled Get Add-ins, or simply Add-ins, depending on your version of Word. Click on this to open the Microsoft Office Add-in Store. In the Add-in Store, you can search for AI-powered tools. Use the search bar to type keywords like AI, Assistant, Writing, or the specific name of the tool you are looking for. Popular AI add-ins include features for text generation, grammar and style checking, summarization, and productivity enhancements. Take a moment to read descriptions and reviews to find the add-in that best fits your needs. Once you find the AI add-in you want, click Add or Get It Now to install it. You may be prompted to accept permissions, which you should review before proceeding. After installation, the add-in will appear in the Word ribbon, usually under a dedicated tab or within the Home tab, ready for use. To use your new AI add-in, select the text you want to work on or place the cursor where you need assistance. Open the add-in from the ribbon and follow the on-screen instructions. Depending on the tool, you can generate content, check grammar and style, summarize sections of text, or get other AI-driven assistance directly within Word. If you ever need to manage your add-ins, go to Home tab, then My Add-ins, and choose Manage My Add-ins. From here, you can remove or update any add-ins as needed, keeping your workspace organized. Remember, you'll need to be signed in with your Microsoft account to access the add-in store, and some AI add-ins may require a Microsoft 365 subscription for full functionality. By following these steps, you can easily integrate AI capabilities into Microsoft Word and take advantage of modern productivity tools. Exploring different add-ins can help you find the features that best enhance your workflow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.